Hey guys, I'm back with another video and today I'll be giving a short demo of the vacuum cleaner that I bought last month. So this is a Karcher WD3 model and it's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So I've already unboxed this and I have shared my initial impressions. So you can check out that video in the description below. So that's my working table and it's got some dust since I've not cleaned it. So what I'll do is I'll quickly mount this camera. So to show how much dust this vacuum cleaner picks up, what I'm going to do is I have a piece of cloth here and I just remove this and put the cloth in between so that I trap the dust, and I'll put this back. I'll turn on the vacuum cleaner now. Just take this out and you can see now how much dust is trapped. So now I'm going to do the same thing again. So this is a piece of cloth and I'll just put this here like this and I'll cover it up. So as you can see, it has picked up considerable dust on the floor tiles. So now I'll be cleaning the floor mat and I had not vacuumed this for close to 2 weeks. So guys, I just can't believe this. There is so much of dust and it just took it out in less than 10 seconds. I'm just going to repeat the cleaning process for the mattress now. So as you can see, there is a lot of dust and it appears to be very fine and not visible to the eyes normally unless it's vacuumed. So now I'll be showing you how to use this vacuum cleaner on wet surfaces. So I have a half liter of water which I'll just pour it here. So now I'll just turn on the cleaner. Let me open this. So with this I conclude the demo and I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.